Welcome to today's analysis video about Morgan Stanley, a leading global financial services firm. With operations in more than 42 countries, Morgan Stanley offers a wide array of products and services, including wealth management, investment banking, and trading. The firm's shares, traded under the symbol MS, are listed on the New York Stock Exchange. This video provides a comprehensive analysis of Morgan Stanley stock. Let's get started. Morgan Stanley's key features include its diverse business model and strong financial performance. The firm's diversified revenue streams, including wealth management, investment banking, and sales and trading, reduce its dependence on any single business line. Furthermore, Morgan Stanley has consistently delivered solid financial results, demonstrating its ability to navigate economic downturns and capitalize on growth opportunities. Pricing of Morgan Stanley stock is influenced by numerous factors, including the company's earnings, market sentiment, and macroeconomic conditions. The stock has seen significant growth over the past year, with the price per share increasing by over 20%. However, like any other stock, the price can fluctuate due to market volatility. It's essential to research and consider these factors before investing. Morgan Stanley stock ideally suits investors seeking long-term growth and stability. It's a good fit for income investors too, thanks to its consistent dividend payments. Furthermore, the stock can be an attractive option for those looking to diversify their portfolio with a strong financial sector play. However, as always, investment decisions should align with individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Investing in Morgan Stanley stock comes with several advantages. Firstly, the firm's diversified business model mitigates risks associated with economic downturns. Secondly, its consistent financial performance and growing revenues offer stability. Lastly, the company's commitment to shareholder returns via dividends and share buybacks can provide income to investors. Despite its strengths, investing in Morgan Stanley also has some limitations. The stock can be impacted by economic downturns and changes in interest rates. The firm's operations are also subject to stringent regulations, which can impact profitability. Moreover, any reputational damage from potential controversies or scandals could negatively affect the stock price. In conclusion, while Morgan Stanley stock offers several advantages, such as a diversified business model and consistent financial performance, potential risks include economic volatility and regulatory challenges. Therefore, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consider your financial objectives before investing. Remember, every investment carries a degree of risk. Thank you for watching this analysis of Morgan Stanley stock. We hope you found it informative and useful. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive stock analysis videos. Happy investing!